Mr. Speaker, kasi itong LCAC budget, ilalagay ko ito dito sa usapin na nilalagyan natin ng pera, no? Or meron na namang proposal for another budget for the NTF LCAC, which is ngayong 2025, mula 2.1 billion, tumaas ng 371% ang pondo para sa NTF LCAC, papuntang 7.8 billion. Kaya I am questioning this, Mr. Speaker, Madam Sponsor. Halimbawa, sa legal offensive, the PNP investigation and detective units and legal service in coordination with the NBI shall vigorously advance its efforts in case build-up, filing of cases against insurgents found violating the law, and ensure a well-coordinated, integrated investigation, prosecution, and monitoring of all crimes committed by any member of the CTG. Ayan, no? Especially their leaders and cadres, in order to paralyze their command and control, deny them financial resources. The PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group, the CIDG, AFP Cybercrime Group, NBI Cybercrime Division shall monitor and trace their financial support in close coordination with the AMLAC. So, mga ganitong cases, case build-up, etc., sa mga aktivista, ito po yung ginagamit eh. Actually, ito po yung malinaw, no, na klase, no, ng paliwanag na sa tingin namin hindi dapat ganito, no, yung programa. Hindi katanggap-tanggap itong mga programs na ito ng NTF LCAC, and we should abolish it and put the money doon sa mga pangangailangan natin ng essential services. Mr. Speaker, Madam Sponsor. Yun lang po, Mr. Speaker, no? Siguro yun yung mga maliwanag dito sa LCAC, no, na narrative na dapat hindi na natin dapat bigyan ng pondo ang mga katulad dito. Mr. Speaker, Madam Sponsor.